EZCareChair helps disabled patients stay at home and avoid the high cost of nursing homes. First, a single caregiver can use the chair to safely transfer a patient from the bed in the morning, but it is too expensive to retain the caregiver during the entire day. The chair increases independence and saves money by allowing some dependent patients to toilet themselves. The first step is to place a normal or fracture bedpan under the seat. The next step is to slide forward and put a sliding board under the thighs. Then slide forward and remove the wheelchair cushion, sitting directly on the toilet seat. And then remove the sliding board and slide back onto the seat.
The EZCareChair toileting process is far safer and faster than using a standard sling lift. Interested investors and partners are invited to contact us at info@EZCareChair.com.